Now we are solving numerical number 3 based on performance parameter. So the given question is a star connected 440 volt 50 hertz alternator has phase synchronous reactance is 10 ohm. So it supplies a balanced capacitive load of current 20 ampere as shown in given per equivalent circuit diagram. It is desirable to achieve zero voltage regulation. The load power factor should be. So first of all, this is magnitude of 20 ampere is nothing but it is magnitude of load. So if VR is taken as reference, we are at the angle of 0. So IR we can write that is 20 at the angle of plus 5. So if VR is taken as reference, so IR will be phi angle, and in the question it is asking it is desirable to achieve zero voltage regulation, the load power factor should be. So the magnitude of VR will be 440 upon root 3 equal to this Vs, so that the voltage regulation will be 0. We will solve this question with the help of phasor diagram. So let us assume this is our VR taken as a reference. And we also know that this current IR is leading by an angle of phi r. So this will be IR, and this is VR, and now we have to add this J10 to get Vs in the circuit. So when we will write this will be look like this exactly, and this value will be equal to basically Vs. This value will be equal to Vs because when you will write IR into XL, so IR into XL basically when you will draw like this, it will look like this, and you can see that this Vs magnitude will be equal to VR. It is clear. So this will be equal, as well as if this is 90 degree, this will be equal, and this angle will also be same. This angle, if this is angle is phi r, so this angle will also be equal to phi r with the isosceles triangle. And now we are writing this phi r, so we can write sine phi r in upper triangle. Sine phi r we can write this IR XL by 2, this IR into XL divided by 2, and this IR XL by 2 upon Vs. So putting all the values, here I am writing sine of phi r is equal to IR is 20 ampere into XL is 10 by 2, so 5 upon this Vs is 440 by root 3. This Vs is 440 by root 3 means into root 3. When you will solve this sine phi r, so the final answer, the sine phi r would be sine phi r is equal to 20 into 5 into root 3 upon 440. So when we will calculate directly cos of phi r, so cos of phi r will become 0.90138, and this will be, if you will see in the diagram, then cos phi r, this is leading. If this is given in the question that this load is leading in nature because capacitive it is. So this is all about this numerical. Thank you.